Okay, sorry, I just enabled OBS. I want to make sure I capture this forever. Okay, guys.
No, only bone knives.
Don't worry.
Only
don't
bone
worry.
knives.
Don't worry. I already had this recorded from the beginning.
Alright, we are gathered here today.
It only cares if you have a ranged weapon in your hotbar or if you have more than 2 pieces of clothing.
Okay.
Don't worry, I've been recording. I'm probably gonna clip this to Bird on Twitter.
That's amazing. Alright, I need to upload this though. I haven't uploaded in like 2 months. Alright.
Pretty cool, right?
Shit.
That's what you get for breaking the internet.
Oh god.
Gangster, if you take the bow out of your hotbar, the helicopter won't shoot you.
Anyway, we are gathered to celebrate Bird, otherwise...
No ranged weapons in hotbar.
Okay.
But what if I throw my knife at it now?
Dude,
that's gonna get you killed immediately.
Yeah, dude, don't have that bow out, you'll die. Don't have it on your hotbar at all, you'll die.
Right.
Okay.
He's got bone armor and knives and he's fine.
Okay then.
Helicopters don't care about him because he doesn't have any range weapons on his
It's circling
hotbar.
the church.
What the hell?
Yeah, but he doesn't
Something
shoot
is up
you.
in here.
Apparently the
think
patrol
the
master
helicop-
does not like the church.
He doesn't like the
I
church.
think the helicopter. No, I think he wants to listen to our prayer. I think.
Yeah, if he wants to listen, then we all have to listen. Sit down, guys. We have to finish this, and maybe it'll go away. It's like a sea bear ritual.
We have to finish it.
Yeah, we have to finish
The
this.
helicopter won't go away.
Okay. So it's the rain go away. Who's fucking vomiting in our church? Oh my god.
The bone man.
Who's
What
I
did you eat?
guys, I just realized this is
Hey,
some...
bear meat. I was tempted by it.
God damn it. Because it was either that someone's eating bad meat or Bird.
God.
Literally, Bird is with us because that's a thing he does.
that from time to time
Anyway.
he shows up.
If Bird's here, welcome to our church. This is my interpretation of you. So he created the lands we walk on, and for that we have to thank. But man, I don't fucking know what you said. I haven't caught up with the Bird lore in a while. And then we have Shuckle. He didn't really do anything, but Bird likes them, so he's here. Yeah. We are gathered here today to celebrate not dying from a patrol helicopter.
Do we know who
Yes,
created
yes.
the shiny shuckle?
Game Freak, as courtesy of the Pokemon Company.
Well, I thought it was the skunk.
No, that's a completely
Maybe
different.
It was the skunk.
No, that's
What did the skunk create
Is
then?
it
I
still
think I
here?
got my lore mixed up.
no. Yeah, that fucking patrol helicopter is really going after
Hey,
us.
it's
He's still here. What the hell?
it's
He is not leaving at all.
He doesn't. Okay, we have to finish this.
why?
Just like the church,
There's
man.
no way we
Just
can't
like
fight
the
it.
church.
Yeah, we can't fight it. Absolutely not.
Watch naked with bow. Watch him. Gotta do it.
Don't do it, man. No.
Shoot the rotor blades!
Shoot the rotor blades!
Aim for the rotor blades!
Shoot them.
Try to hit the pilot. Try to hit the pilot.
Ah,
No
fuck.
pilot!
Jeez.
There's no
Jesus.
He doesn't like the priest.
I told you, man.
It's
Oh, listen, you've got too many clothing. You got too many pieces of
Now we
clothing.
get
Shit, he does.
roasted by
You're
the
right.
chopper. Let's go.
There, much better. No one touched my clothes or
the whole
you're...
base.
Yeah, much
Okay.
better.
There, I'll just put them under there. They're shooting at it.
Doesn't care
You
because
guys are gonna
they're
get us
naked and
killed.
nasty.
well, I can't hit
This
any.
chopper's got rocket the whole base, and that's the story of it.
Jesus.
That's the end of the church.
Yeah, okay.
But if the
We
church
need
gets
to...
destroyed, I will make the. If the
Hey,
church
we're
dies,
dog,
I
you're
will
good,
make
you're
a
good.
new church. The
Yeah,
Church of the Skunk.
Yes, that sounds great. But... Skunk!
Skunk.
I need to...
Oh,
Don't
actually,
ask Bird for a preview of the skunk seconds,
yeah.
he'll kill you immediately.
Hey, don't worry.
Gangsta,
I'm gonna send this clip to him
gangsta.
on Twitter and we'll see what happens.
Wait,
What's
the
good?
camera watching.
Alright.
Alright, there.
I've got an idea.
Yo, what's
Let's
up?
make a next season skunk league.
What?
Let's do a next season skunk league.
No, absolutely not. I'm not taking that chance. I'm not going back to jail.
Give out things to everyone.
Maybe.
Hello.
Hey, Mr. Person Man.
Yeah, what's up?
Dude, I gotta say, that's like the weirdest name, like, Mr. Person Man, like...
Yeah, I came up with it
it's just,
like
such
2
a weird
years ago.
combination.
Completely normal name.
I
Yeah,
can't.
like, his name
Hold on,
is
guys.
Mr.
Move out of the
Person Man.
area. I gotta put this down. It won't let
It's
me.
like, it's like so ironic.
What?
Like you're trying to
Must
say in
fill
a
it
chat,
with
and it's just like
bear
really weird.
Oh yeah, you have to actually put it on the floor, don't you? Damn it. Alright, hold on.
Okay.
There we go.
It's actually fucking off now.
Alright,
Hell no, it's still
yeah,
there.
it's still here. I don't... What's it shooting at?
What is this shooting?
I do not know. It wasn't shooting anything.
But
It's
the
shooting at me,
skunk-
it's shooting at me!
I think it's definitely shooting something.
Oh, it hit me too.
Too much clothes,
Yeah,
too much clothes,
me
too much
too.
clothes.
Jesus,
Yeah, Yeah, no, guys, just...
Oh no,
Don't
Kanye
wait.
died to a bear!
God.
Kanye died to a
Guys,
bear!
Kanye, no!
Guys, it only
I
rockets.
must.
Guys. Hey guys, it only rockets if the person it's fighting owns the building.
Shit.
It only shoots rockets if the person who owns the building has TC access. So if it was shooting at me, there'll be no rockets.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, it
Doesn't
found
sound
someone
good.
else.
Okay.
Yeah, somebody else.
Somebody say free loot outside.
No, no, please.
Yeah, it's mad and
That's
something
good.
over there.
That's good.
That's great.
Let's check it out.
Why do you have so many batteries?
We
Wait,
have
we're
2
done,
batteries.
guys.
One of them's big, one of them is medium. We have plenty of power, and we have in solar
Wait,
panels
wait,
outside,
Your
so
dog died out.
just in case.
I think
You should
was that you
set
or your
up the
dog? Would you
CCTV
get
cameras.
Yeah, they're set up. We just
Wait.
actually need
Oh my
a.
god, dude!
Killed by a bear.
shot to a bear? Where'd you
I
die?
have a brilliant idea. You know what you could do?
What?
Yeah, 1 second.
You could fucking show your fucking stuff
I can't get
live.
ranch, I got that.
Like people could watch you.
Oh no.
Imagine. Imagine people watching live.
Oh God.
Like a live stream of the church
Well,
on
yeah,
the
but-
CCTV camera.
Yeah, but you. Oh shit. He
He
hates.
doesn't like this piece of roof.
He doesn't like the
I
church.
think it's gonna
Oh, there's
swim.
bears.
Yo, bear outside.
There's a bear outside.
Somebody's dying. We ain't helping because we're clothed.
Yeah, this fucking helicopter's just been circling us for like 5 minutes, if not more. Bro, get a life.
Yeah.
Do something else.
What are you trying to place, by the way?
Oh, this small stash that somebody gave me. But it might have to go on the ground, I don't know. Like, actual ground.
Yeah, stash goes in the dirt.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, it gets buried in the ground.
Yeah.
You know what you can use? You know what you can use? This furnace doesn't work. You get snatched on it before you reach the workbench. A little squeezy in there.
No, you can just go in there
You
and
have to
it'll,
jump over it.
yeah. It's compact.
Can't walk through.
Fuck.
Ow. Hurts.
No.
Back as fuck.
What is happening? Oh, shit.
Not even close.
Whoa.
Not even close.
There's a. I made sure to add extra protection. There's a foundation right behind the base.
Stupid spikes!
That doesn't sound good. Where's everybody
Why
else?
did you put spikes in the church? That isn't very nice. That is very rude.
Yeah, I just had to get rid.
Spikes in
I
the
had to
church.
get rid of them somehow. We have to. I had to place them somehow. We have to get rid of them.
Put them in the recycler, then you'll get wood out of them, bro.
Put them in front of
You
someone's
would.
face for a funny prank.
You have to have PC to put them down. Not so funny prank anymore.
Yeah, it's not very funny.
Wait, most of you guys are American? Know about it.
I just mean like
Yeah.
in the server. I don't know. I am.
Well, technically
Oh.
Mexican American, but that works.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say this is an American server because I'm near Los Angeles and I got 72 ping.
Never mind, I have 230 ping.
Oh my God. Wait.
I'm at 72. Yeah,
Yo.
it might be on the west side, or it might be on the east side of the U.S. The server. I don't know where it's located because I'm at 72.
Oh, guys, you go to GeoIP2 database demo.
So is it finally gone?
Stuff in the database of the GeoIPs.
Yeah. So the heli's finally
I gotta
gone.
go. Where can I hide real quick?
Why do you
I'm
need
gonna
to
stay right
hide?
here. I'll be back. I gotta go to the restroom.
Alright, go ahead. Somebody guard him.
Don't worry,
He-
it's gonna
Bird
be
lives in the
recordings.
same
If you do
time zone
something,
as me.
Yeah.
if you do something funny, do it in front of my person.
Okay. Sure.
I'm gonna shank him.
Don't shank him. I swear to God. I mean, Shuckle. F***ing bear outside. Little shit. You're not allowed.
Close.
Apparently it's Chicago.
Huh.
Apparently.
I don't know. My game's been running like silky smooth for the most of it. But I don't know.
The beer meat is so delicious.
Yeah. That sounds about right.
Who wants the bear meat? I have the bear meat and
I
it is
want
very
some
raw.
bear.
We all need the bear meat.
I have to
Yes.
cook it.
The bear meat.
Give me your bear meat. Give me your bear meat, Sexton.
Oh shit, he wants the bear meat real bad.
Come on, man. Give us some of this bear meat. Come on, man. Oh, shit,
Let's
there's
see if
bear.
I can call him. Hey, is this shake and steak or whatever? Are you yeah, this is the steakhouse. Are you guys available for delivery? I'd like 2 bear meat delivered to the Holy Church of Shuckle.
What?
2 bear meat to the Holy Church of Shuckle, if you can. If you guys do deliveries, I can pick it up if it really matters.
2 berries.
Bear meat. We need some bear steaks. Unless, do you guys want anything?
How much meat do you need?
No,
Dead.
I'm
He's
good.
dead again.
I see.
Meat.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay,
Hello.
yeah, it sounds good. Oh, alright, never mind, we got it. Alright, thanks, cool. Bye. Bye. Alright, cool. Oh shit.
You're
Who
getting
needs some
caught,
bear
man.
meat?
Hello?
Yes, I would like to submit an anonymous tip about a criminal.
Oh, damn, what's up?
There's a gangster on the server.
Bear meat in the room.
Okay.
Cell phone number should be entered in the directory as gangsta.
Oh, that's awful. What would you like me to do about it?
You should investigate this gangster before he commits any crimes.
Yeah, that sounds good. I'll give him a call. Alright, thank you, citizen. Yeah, I should probably call them. The line's cut.
Oh no.
If I go back and get more metal scrap, I can make a bunch of people phones, and we can just keep doing things like this. Oh, hold up, I gotta
Sounds
go.
amazing.
I'm gonna go get some.
Phone
Yeah,
seems amazing.
get a bunch of frags. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it there. If you guys want to see more Rust, all three of you watching, be sure to make the subscribe button, wish it wasn't boring, and smash it as hard as your dad with belt nut incest. That's bad. I can't do outros. Bye!